Just want to show you what we are doing. Disregard the noise, that's my neighbor over there working. But this is my shrubs that I'm just doing real quick. I like to do them every 2 weeks just to maintain them nice and crispy. I had to mass prune this winter right in here because it was growing over. Just my laziness, not trimming them all the way back. So they started to hang. So during the winter time, I just mass prune them. So now they're starting to grow, as you can tell. And we're gonna hit them every 2 weeks. That's Blade right there. You guys remember Blade, right? Yeah, baby. He's out here doing his thing. But just wanted to show you. And I also got a little bit of the POA that kind of creeped in my Bermuda. So I'm trying to get rid of it. And I trimmed up my sago palm. It had a disease, but we kind of fixed that. And I got to clean out the POA. I'm gonna put down some mulch and some plant bed pre-emergent. I also have some POA here. And this is the only area that I guess I missed when I was putting down my POA. So yeah, I put it down my pre-emergent. Sorry about that. My neighbor just beeped at me. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and just trim these every 2 weeks. What's up, Blade? Say hi to Instagram. What's up, Instagram? Yeah, baby. But as you can tell, it's starting to grow just a little bit in here. And we're gonna keep hitting it this way. It'll grow from the inside out and make a nice little shield. So that's what we're doing right now in here too. So, but yeah, hope everybody is doing well. Everything is starting to look pretty good. It's starting to grow out. So, I have a couple of patches here and there, but at the end, it's growing out. And again, guys, I'm into my battery powered equipment, man. Oh, right here, somebody, I guess one night, backed up and ran into my freaking shrub and messed it up, but it'll grow back out. All right, back to what I was saying. I personally, here you go, I like this Husqvarna, the 520i HE3. Okay, let me tell you guys, this thing is awesome. We do a lot of shrub trimming, and on average we only use one battery a day. Yep, only one battery. So for you guys that ask, how long does a battery last, believe me guys, you're not gonna use all the power that this thing has. Okay? And over here, just to show you, why not just give you so what I did on this side of my yard, it's still in the process. This one had overgrown, so I chopped it down and I planted a lower pedalum and also a boxwood. And these are a lower pedalum boxwood. I kind of shaped them up, and we're gonna clean over here, clean it up, make it look good. And then we're gonna also trim up the ligustrums, but I'm gonna give them another week so they can grow out and trim those up. And I'm not worried about the fence, man. It gives it character, right? The moss makes it look good. And over here, I'm gonna work on the grass and fix up the boxwood and the other trees. So basically, that's what we're doing right now, fixing all this stuff and making it good.